Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on or to switch off the screen touches in screen recorder. So first you should get the X Recorder application from the Play Store. Now just open that and tap here on the down right corner to the settings icon. Scroll down with your finger and here you will see the show touch. Tap here and right there you can see the instruction how you can make that. So now I just will show you how you can do that. Just tap here on the settings and scroll down to the about phone. Now just keep tapping here and you are like a developer now. So go back here and tap just to the system and updates and tap to the developer options. So if you will scroll down with your finger, you will find here the input. Okay. And here you will see the show tabs. Just to turn it on, tap once on the switcher. If you wanna just turn it off, tap on the switcher again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.